Welcome to Digit 9. One of the most talked about topics nowadays is boots. Guys on sled trips are always talking about their boots. You got some guy with wet feet. You got another guy with sore feet. You got another guy where the lace is broke. Always about boots. Boots are a pretty darn important thing when you're snowmobiling, because who likes to wear wet feet? Nobody. So I got kind of lucky about 10 years ago. I finally found a boot that didn't leak, was warm, and was comfortable. It was the Klim Adrenaline GTX boot. It was the lace-up boot. I've went through, I don't know how many pairs of boots before that. Always had wet feet. I hate wet feet. So I finally found these Klim boots. Awesome boot. They've lasted like 10 years, 11 years. Last year they finally gave up the ghost. They started leaking, and you know, you can't fix that after that. So they got thrown in the garbage. So I thought this year I'd step it up a little bit, you know, because the guy likes to buy better stuff every year. So I thought I'd pick up a set of these Klim Adrenaline GTX BOA boots with the crank on the front. Not that I'm lazy about the laces, I just thought these would give me a little better protection from leaking. They fit pretty nice. They're starting to wear in good. I got about 10 days on them. Yesterday I was helping a buddy get unstuck. And look what happens. That little wire that I didn't think was actually going to work that good, didn't work that good. She's broken. So now I'm without a boot. I have to get a hold of Klim and see if they're going to fix it. So I was talking to a buddy of mine. He loves all his Motorfist stuff. Got him to order us a couple pair of boots. We're going to try them out today and see if they fit. And we're going to give you a good tutorial on those babies. Oh, yeah. Those are going to be the shit, I think. Have you guys even subscribed yet? So these Motorfist boots, they look beefy. I mean, they look like a beefy boot. Look at the insole. Look at the sole on this baby. They're made in Thailand. Why can't we get anything made in like Canada or America? Well, that took a whole 20 seconds of my life to take the boot off. Or not even, 10 maybe. Probably 10 to do them up. It's not that big of a deal. They're a nice looking boot. They look strong. Drag my toe every once in a while on the climbers, so I get no scratchers. 2 pounds, 8 ounces. So the Klim boot and the Motorfist boot are exactly the same weight. But I think this one's going to have less problems. So hey guys, I got my new Klim BOA boots. Only took 6 weeks to get them, but I got them. They made me cut the tongues out of the old boots. Oh, that's painful. And they sent me the new improved BOAs with the crank on the side. My other ones were the crank on the front. Are they comfy? Absolutely. Are they going to last? We're not sure. We'll check it out. I'm a foot dragger because I have mod sleds, so we'll see if they hold up to a little bit of torture on the trail. Or, you know, when you run into snowmobiles, when you're doing mock chicken at the top of a hill. Even though it took like 6 weeks to get my boots, it's not ideal to be down without boots because you want to go snowmobiling. What am I going to do with no boots? I managed, but yeah, it was okay. As you can tell by the beautiful sunny day and the green grass, that our sledding season is coming to an end. So I thought I would finish up our boot review, if anybody's been paying attention. You know, I had some trouble getting, not a lot of trouble, but I had a little bit of trouble getting Klim to warranty my boots. The brand new pair I bought. They lasted a couple days and the wire broke. Anyways, we got the response from Klim. They sent me some boots, but in the meantime, I went and bought these Motorfist boots. What I can say about these boots is they're awesome and they are tough as nails. These Klim boots, I got a little too many bells and whistles with this BOA system on there. It's cool. Is it going to last or be as strong as that Motorfist? We're not sure. They are a nice boot. No denying that. Comfort-wise, I'm going to have to tell you that the Klim boot is probably a little more comfortable than the Motorfist. So I probably wore the Klim boots. Actually, you know what? Both of them I probably wore the same amount of time. Probably 3 or 4 trips each. Boots nowadays are quite an investment. As everybody knows, they're really expensive, $400 or $500 for a pair of boots. So it's good to know what you're investing in, if it's gonna work for you or not. So I'm gonna have to say that for my money, this year, these Klim boots are probably gonna be the ones I wear the most. Come on, subscribe, hit that subscribe button.